Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Fatin Nadzirah binti Mohamad Nadzri. My matrix number is 148620 and this is my partner.
And I am Nur Shahriaini with Mohamad Shahrizan. My matrix number is 148667.
Introducing our circuit of choice. This is also known as universal gate as we have NAND and NOR gate. This circuit serves as decoder. We have Boolean expression and typical truth table here as well. This is an extended truth table that I made to see whether it matches the typical truth table. Well, it matches.
The apparatus that we need is first NAND gate, AND gate, NOR gate, 3 1.5 volt batteries, breadboard, wires, and LEDs.
Now, let's build our circuit. From the left, we have NAND gate, NOR gate, and AND gate. We will connect the inputs and the outputs according to these diagrams, which we have NAND gate from the left, NOR gate, and AND gate diagrams. We also connect it with the LED, and don't forget our power supply. All done.
So now I am going to test 4 out of the 8 of the output from the truth table. So now when the C is 0, when the C is 0, when the B is 0, and also A is 0, all the inputs are 0, the output is also 0. Next, when the input C is 0, output P is 1, and input A is 0, the output is also 0. Next, when the input C is 0, input P is 1, and also input A is 1, the output is also 0. Next, when the output C is 1, while the input P in A is 0, the output Q is 1. Lastly, when the input C is 1, input B is 1, and same goes with output A is 1, the output is 0.
What is floating and what would happen to the output if any of the input is not connected? So our input could be high 1 or low 0. Now floating is actually a logic level of the device that will change between high and low. This is also known as noise margin. Let's take an example of our high 1. When we disconnect each input respectively, like input C, we disconnected it, floating occurs. LED does not light up. LED denotes our output. We connect it back. Now we will disconnect input B. LED lights up. We connect B back and we disconnect input A. LED lights up as well. This is known as floating. One problem that we have to face is that one of our output does not matches with the truth table at C is 1, A is 1, and B is 0. The output is supposed to be 0, but our LED lights up. So we searched it up and we found out that the condition could be from intermediate floating, where the floating could be high, could be low, or somewhere in the middle.